There we go, 20 kilograms exactly.
This section utilises the new system. It keeps the humidifier stable, reducing the risk of respiratory illness.
That explains the low emissions.
As you can see, our vertical integration allows us to monitor everything from feed intake
And the temperature regulation.
precisely controlled for optimal growth.
The shipment data is showing a critical anomaly.
Is the EMU package secure?
We're getting a red signal from the scanner.
Upon arrival, the emus undergo a strict welfare check before proceeding to the pre-wash zone.
Quality control is essential at every stage of the process, ensuring the texture meets our high standards.
This one turned out perfectly.
The texture is incredible.
Our specialized machinery ensures every hide, from ostrich to feathered, is meticulously cleaned and prepared for the next stage.
this meets all specifications. We need to verify the measurements on this batch.
The readout seems consistent.
These tolerances look good, Supervisor. Ready for batch approval.
Confirmed. Log it.
Look at that green.
Perfect consistency, just as expected.
From the initial quality check, ensuring the distinct texture of the ostrich hide is perfect, to the skill
Look at the texture on this one.
and the projection shows the blue is trending for next season.
Let's go with the blue and the classic brown. Look at the depth on this one under the light.
Yeah. Yes, the burgundy really pops. It matches the rendering perfectly.
Yeah.
The sketch translates well to the 3D render, especially the collar.
And the craftsmanship on the black leather is
Looks solid. All set here. Confirmed. Closing up.
Another beautiful sunset on the farm.
Couldn't ask for a better day's work. These juvenile ostriches consume a specialised grain mix, essential for their rapid growth and development here on the farm.
Welcome to the farm.
These magnificent birds are why we're here. Ostrich leather is incredibly durable, yet surprisingly supple.
We're focused on sustainable farming practices here. The emus are central for that.
So the market is growing.
Absolutely, we can barely keep up with the demand for the oil.
How important is the environment here to the quality of the hides?
It's everything. Happy cows make the best leather.
This piece is handcrafted from the finest ostrich leather we've sourced. The texture is quite remarkable. Is it the same hide used for the jacket?
Handcrafted luxury, where every detail is meticulously considered. The finest ostrich leather, presented exclusively.
Isn't the texture exquisite? It's absolutely perfect. It suits you beautifully. We'll take it.